Today's installation takes us down to Ikate, Lekki, Elegushi. And here we are at MIDAS MEWS Apartments. So our installation takes less than 2 hours to be completed. This is the environment. This is a generator. This is a Marapco 100 kVA generator. Let's go to the powerhouse and see the job that has been done so far. This is the system done and dusted. These are 63 arm Stanley changeover, and these are robotic ATS. So with this, you can operate your generator and changeover right from the comfort of your room with a remote control. So what are you waiting for? Call on us and we have this installed in your house. And you don't have to pay. Payment is made 5 days after installation with 2 years warranty.